Well, welcome back to Hunkin' Junk, everybody, and today we got something pretty special going on. We got a build-off coming up here in the next day or so on the Hunkin' Junk group on Facebook. If you've not checked that group out, go on Hunkin' Junk, follow the link down here. There should be something down here below, and check it out, and you can get in on the action too. But anyway, I got my nephew with us today. Say hi to my buddy
Hi.
Dustin.
How you doing?
And he's wanting to use my shop and tools to make him a big old mudding van. So we're going to get started on that and build him a lift kit, and we're going to make something cool. So hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell, and let's get this party started.
Think about this here.
Yeah, make you a little tang there.
Yeah, because I can't drill very good. I ain't like you professional. Take these baby steps.
You want to wallow that out a little bit.
Wallow her out. Wow.
Now tighten that up.
I'll tighten it up.
Yeah, good. Tighten it up good. And what I would do,
I don't think I'll go anywhere.
nah, it ain't going nowhere.
Okay.
Now, got us a perch. Now you want to take your wheel, lay it up there and see exactly where you want it, and use your scribe to draw you another circle.
Gotcha. Let's scratch it. There's me a hole right there. I moved it.
You're definitely gonna have to do some trimming.
Yeah, it's got to be trimmed up. It ain't trimmed yet, so.
Yeah. Now you got to do the same thing for the other side, and we'll trim all this off. So let's make the other side real quick, and then we'll get started on the front.
Alrighty. So, put this wheel.
That actually ain't long enough, is it?
Not quite.
Well, we got something going on. Make it a three-wheeler.
Yeah, that's the way it's gonna be. That's the way it's gonna be. I love it.
Lord have mercy. Every redneck's dream.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. If you're a redneck and likes toys and weird toys, this is gonna be your toy. I promise you.
Alright, well, let's figure out the front now. Dual wheels in the front.
I don't know.
Like a tractor.
See if I can get it something like that.
You ain't right.
I love it.
Oh no.
Yep, that's right.
Lord have mercy. Yeah, we'll see about that. So how you figuring on making this catastrophe?
Well, I don't know. I figured I'd do dual wheels because you get yellow when you look at it on both sides. But for the moment, I need to build a bracket that comes in and goes in between the tires. So I'll have something similar to this. And I can hide my metal.
Oh yeah.
I mean, my
That'd be
hands
easy enough.
My hands are kind of in the way, so you guys can't really see that.
We'll make
Close
it happen.
enough. I mean, this is a shot of it.
We'll figure it out. So what the hillbilly wants to do here is Put a piece down here in the middle, I guess like that, and then mount his wheels to each side of that. Maybe some kind of a spacer or something in here, so might need to double this up and mount it down in here somehow. Maybe bend it over. I think we're just gonna do something real simple here. Got us an odd bend. I'll go down in there and rest flat. Something like that.
That might work.
And we'll just put some rivets in there. And it should be done unless he tries to hang 10 at 90. So let's get that riveted in.
Try that one day.
Get that all lined up. So we're gonna let old Dustin use a tool that I've not shown on my channel yet because I can't really show it very good while I'm filming by myself. This is a metal punch. You get them on eBay for about $25. Comes with a series of dies. Basically what it does, just like a paper hole punch. So you got the part that comes down. This part, this is your die. You want to line the center of that, has a little tip on it, if you can see it.
Okay, yeah.
So you want to line that little tip up with your mark.
Okay, right there. Oh no, that's wrong mark. Oh, you put 3 marks on there, didn't you?
Yeah.
I'll go with this one first.
Don't pinch your fingers.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah.
That's the way the real man does it.
Yeah, that'll crack your knuckles together. Yeah, but look at the hole it leaves.
Ah, you gotta break a finger.
Yep.
Right there. That's how we do it right there, boys. It don't get no better than that. But it don't hurt that much.
Yeah. It should be 9 different colors tomorrow.
Oh, it's throbbing now. Yeah. Let's see here.
One more.
One more.
Yeah, don't put your fingers in
I don't think
between.
I'm gonna put my fingers in between.
Normally that's how you want to do it. Squeeze it.
Hey, I think that's the way to work it.
That's the method, yeah.
So fellas, no, that's the way you work it.
We just you gotta let kids learn on their own.
Yeah, my finger hurts now. I call the doctor.
Now we come in here with some rivets. Go ahead and rivet that piece in there. Well, we got our perch in the front. I guess we're gonna put wheels on it. We'll make it a trike, what he wanting. So, really what we done was just riveted a piece of metal down in there. So now we're gonna set our rod height and go ahead and put in our axle. Then he'll have him a tractor van. And so you want to get your rod height set. Is it going to roll? You got your wheel up high enough where it'll roll?
Let's see. It should roll like it right there.
Well, as long as the wheel ain't rubbing nothing.
I think right there is going to be.
That's the sweet spot, huh?
I like this. I'm redneck. I like rednecking it. It's cool.
He's a redneck, he says. He's from Ohio, so he ain't no hillbilly like the boss.
What? Now, come on now. You want to see some hillbilly? We'll go
He's one of them northerners.
Northerners.
Yeah, he's one of them northerners.
Listen at him. Listen at him.
Yeah. Don't go drilling on my table now.
I'm stuck. Oh.
He's stuck.
Okay, now we're back to normal.
Yeah, you need your big drill bit.
I get punch first. Beat it till you can't beat it no more. It's like off the Adam Sandler. The Adam Family.
Oh, we needed some axles.
Needed some axles now.
I'm digging our box here. What do we got?
Oh,
Are you gonna put a nut axle through it? Like you got over here, or? I don't know, I'm looking. I'll be dead. Flip him over, boys. Let's see what she's got.
Yeah, it still turns too. How? What do you know?
He's smitten.
What do you know, Georgetta?
Got him a tractor van.
My son's gonna die for this thing.
He's gonna say, what in the world?
Be cool if I could put some kind of doohickey here.
Yeah. Tie some ropes on either end.
Hey, good idea.